May parang yellow, may parang dry ice, or isa tong freezer, tapos may nakatago. Okay.
Surprise! It's your boy. I just want to say happy birthday, Bino. Thank you sa lahat ng smiles and laughter that you brought upon us every time you stream. You are such a gift para sa aming lahat and sana magpatuloy pa yun sa mahabang panahon. Personally, I'm thankful na nakilala kita. Kahit small streamer ka pa lang, nakabuo ka na ng community at ng squad. Siyempre, ang Fuck You Squad. At siyempre, lahat kami doon, love na love ka. Just do what you love to do and we will support you all the way. Kita mo naman, kahit lumipat ka ng platform, andun pa rin kami para sa'yo. Kasama mo kaming lilipat. Birthday wish ko para sa'yo is more happiness and more success in life. More subscribers. Ayun. Good health. Ayan. Sana ma-spam ka ni God ng good health. Once again, happy birthday sa'yo, bro. Have a great day ahead. We all love you and I guess we'll see you soon.
Hello, Kuya B! This is Isa of Code Unknown, and in behalf of Code Unknown, we are wishing you a happy birthday. And also, continue to make people happy, and we will support you always. And have a blast! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Kuya B!
Hello Kuya B, happy birthday. Wish namin na sana ngayong birthday mo, masaya ka, and wish din namin na lahat ng dreams mo magkaroon ng katuparan. Mag-ingat ka palagi and more powers din sabi niyo, Gaming.
Patuloy mo lang yung pagiging wholesome mo.
Happy birthday, Binubi. Looking forward for more of your streams. And looking forward for your success na rin. Ayun. Enjoy your day lang. Stay healthy. Ayun. Ingat palagi.
Hello, Bino. So, happy birthday. And I hope na lumaki kang malusog at may takot sa Diyos. Pero joke lang. I have nothing but best wishes for you, bro. So, yun lang. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo. Marami ka napapasaya. And sabi ni Momo, hanggang 20 seconds lang daw. So, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Jonathan. Happy birthday, Jonathan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jonathan.
Happy birthday, Bino. Happy birthday sa'yo. See you soon, pare.
Hi, B! Oh, +1 na naman. Tumitito na talaga ang edad. Hope your birthday is as amazing as you are. Enjoy your day and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Bino. I hope mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo today. I hope mas marami pang blessings yung dumating sa buhay mo and more followers, 'di ba? And mas marami pa yung mga viewers na mapasaya mo every time na nag-i-stream ka. Enjoy your day. And syempre, turn down for what?
Yo bro, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Let it be on stream and off stream. Salamat sa lahat ng content na pinoprovide mo sa lahat ng mga viewers mo. We as your viewers, nandito lang kami para sa'yo at supportahan ka. And you can always hit me up and call me plus you sa PU. Joke lang. Again, happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Chotomatic ko to say. Without Pokemon Unite, guys, hindi natin makikilala ang nag-iisang The Philippine Black ng Pilipinas. Ayan, na si Boss Binubi Gaming na nag-birthday ngayon. Birthday mo! Pasyangay ka naman. Happy birthday, wishing all the best, and we're always here to support you no matter what. Enjoy your day!
Bro, musta? First of all, I want to greet you happy birthday. And +1 na naman tayo, pero okay lang yan. Age is just a number. And yun, I wish all the best, bro. Good health. Kasi we're not getting any younger na. And then success sa life, sa career. And more power to streaming. And hopefully magkaroon ng Binibid Junior soon. Yun lang. Have a great day, bro. And kita-kits na lang sa video.
Hi Tito B, Tito Daryl here, also known as Zeus. Would like to wish you a happy birthday. And in this special day, I just hope that God will bless you with more birthdays to come. May you continue to inspire people sa stream mo. I know that you're passionate about it and marami kang pinapasaya. Yun lang, looking forward to meet and see you soon. Happy birthday ulit!
Hi, it's me, Howie from Howie's Lair. Happy birthday, Tito Bino. More Asniman Gamings to come. Pwede na ba tayo maging tito? Tito Howie? Yun lang. Salamat!
Bino bro, happy birthday. Sasayaw sana ako nung parang sa mga buffet. Yung matindi yan. Kaso wala eh. Konti lang yung seconds na dapat kong gawin para bumati sa'yo. Pero I just wanna greet you happy birthday. More blessings to come. And continue doing what you're doing sa community ng Pokemon Unite. You deserve everything the best. Much love.
Happy birthday, Boss Binubi. Sana po marami kayong birthday na dumating. At thank you po sa lahat. And enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you po.
Hello Kuis Binubi, happy birthday. Sana masaya ang birthday mo. Sayang wala ako dyan. Ito kasi ako, nagtatrabaho pa ako eh. Enjoy mo lang eh. Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo. Dito lang kami mga viewers mo. Dito lang kami mga kaibigan mo. Sana marami ka pang mapasaya. God bless.
Hi Bino, happy birthday. Wish you more blessings in life, in your stream, in your career, even in your family. So also, Sam wants to wish you a happy birthday. So happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tito Binubi. Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Tito Binyu. Just wanted to know na isang blessing para sa akin personally. Marami ka napapasayang tao and hopefully lumaki pa yung community para mas marami ka pang napasayang tao. Happy birthday, have a good one and enjoy your day. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Kevin! Nakakapagod pala to. Happy birthday po. God bless po, Kuya B. More birthdays to come. And sana marami ka pang mapasayang viewers mo sa stream. Thank you po.
Hello Kuya Bino. Happy birthday. Despite me not having a biological brother, you actually stood to be like one, and I hope that I'm also able to radiate goodness and kindness to the people around me, that I may be a blessing to them just as how you are with me. Wherever life takes me, I will always be proud to be a part of the Binubi family. Happy 3 decades, Kuya!
Happy birthday, Kuya Pino. Thank you for being a good friend to me always and for always being there for me. Pag may problema ako, lagi ka nandyan para makinig at magbigay ng advice. I look up to you so much. You are like an older brother to me. I hope we can hang out again soon. God bless you always and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bossing! Who knows na sa hilig nating pareho sa Pokemon ay may makikilala akong streamer na gaya mo during pandemic. Aside doon, thankful rin ako sa memories at interactions natin on and off stream. Thank you rin dahil isa kang mabuting friend at mentor para sa akin. Wishing all the best!
Hi Kuya Bino, happy birthday! Thank you for everything. Thank you for being a kuya to me sa walang sawang pagsuporta, sa pagbigay ng advice at wisdom sa buhay. Salamat. You are a blessing to everyone around you, especially sa amin, sa PAQ fam, sa Binubi fam. Kaya, we wish you all the best and good health and sana matupad lahat ng wish mo ngayong birthday.
It's your boy! Happy birthday, Bossing Jonathan! Gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo na maraming salamat at naging kaibigan kita ng 2 taon at syempre, running pa rin yon hanggang ngayon. And gusto ko lang din magpasalamat at isa ka sa mga naging sandalan ko sa ganong kahabang panahon din. And also, gusto ko lang din sabihin, lastly, na deserve mo lahat ng blessings na natatanggap mo ngayon at matatanggap mo pa sa mga susunod na araw, buwan at taon.
It's your boy, Master Joe here. Happy birthday, Bino! Maraming pa sanang blessings kay God ang ipagkaloob sa iyo. You deserve it dahil isa ka mabuting tao at kaibigan. Maging masaya at espesyal sana ang araw na ito para sa iyo. Happy birthday!
Hi, Tay. Unang-una gusto lang po itang batiin ng happy birthday. Wish ko lang po sa inyo is matupad po lahat ng wishes nyo this 2024. Mas lumawak po yung community na binilid niyo po. Ayan. And thank you po from being a friend into a father figure na rin sa akin sa PU. And maraming salamat sa mga advice, sa mga turo po. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan. Have a great day po and see you soon.
Hi Kuya B, Zafi here. Happy birthday po. I hope you're having a wonderful time on this very special day. And I hope na na-surprise ka talaga dito sa small pakulo ng PAQ fam. I just want to say, Kuya, na I'm very grateful na I got to meet such an amazing and thoughtful person like you. You're one of the most reliable Kuyas I've ever met, and I'm really grateful and I truly appreciate you for that po. Thank you for being supportive over my fangirling sa Haikyuu, and of course sa 17. I'm gonna be sending more DK photos your way because I know he's your bias. And I truly hope na you stay what you are, Kuya, putting smiles on our faces, making the day brighter. And I hope din po na you have a really successful life ahead of you. Here's to more kaasiman in Thea Sky Ruins with you. Laro na po tayo ulit soon. Happy birthday again, Kuya. I love you po. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Binyo Babu! I am proud and beyond happy on how your streaming community turned into a Binyo B family. We are always proud of you and I hope you'll enjoy your special day. Love you!